Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Court heard Nnamdi Kanu's case without his lawyer, Ejimakor. To my dear listeners from wherever you're listening from, this is one of the news you've been wanting to hear. And now, before I go into details, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe, and share. Now, the details. Aloy Ejimakor, the lead counsel of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has reacted to the Abuja Federal High Court decision to adjourn the case of former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello due to absence of his lawyers. Ejimakor recalled that a court had, on June 29, 2021, heard Kanu's case without informing his lawyers. A mild drama erupted when the charges against Bello were about to be read to him and the judge. Justice Emeka Nwite discovered that the defendant had no legal representation. Bello told the court that he got to know about the arraignment late Thursday night and hence could not reach any of his lawyers. Although the EFCC, represented by Kemi Pinheiro, insisted that Bello be arraigned, Justice Nwite refused the request on the ground that such would amount to breach of Bello's fundamental right to fair hearing. Justice Nwite said he was mindful of Bello's claim that he got to know about the arraignment late yesterday night. Reacting, Ejimakor posted on X. The judge noted that Bello lawyers were not notified and that it is a breach of fair hearing to proceed with the hearing in their absence. But on 29 June 2021, the judge in MNK's case held a hearing without notifying his former lawyer, who was known to the judge. Now I've come to the end of our today's news, and now before I go, let's move down to the comment section. A comment here says, "Are they free? The truth is that human beings God created in his image never believe that God exists. And they cannot ask, how was the world come to exist? Foolishness is a disease. Man, you are foolish yourselves. God is greater than you. Your foolishness will be revealed one day." In addition to that, I don't believe in such nonsense these people are saying. So you got to know that you would be arraigned the second day. And are we saying that for though the news was circulated, so your lawyer didn't know that he or she needs to be presented in court? Because it was immediately it was called to the court. That is when the news has been circulating. So are we saying your lawyer is not does not listen to news? That's a planned work. It has been scripted, and we all know where this will land. Because once we have scripted stories like this, we know they want to sweep it away. Another comment here says, "They will one day provoke the dreaded BLA, Biafran Liberation Army, to expand their operation beyond the Biafran territory. We are waiting and watching. God bless Biafra." Another comment says, "Judges are partial, especially those in Abuja. Give Nigerian journalists money, he or she will write the goodness of Satan." Another comment here says, "Nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo man, while the other is non-Igbo. Yahaya Bello's cases are not too similar to. The more they tried frustrating the case, the more they are uniting us as a family. Every reasonable Igbo man knows that Kanu is fighting our fight." Still at the comment section, another comment here says, "There was a country, but now we are looking for a new prosperous country. Okay, fine. This is comprises of two news here. Nnamdi Kanu aside and the former governor of this state, Yahaya Bello. So what I'm trying to say is, for Yahaya Bello, that's actually a scripted one, a lie. So you'd be arraigned and your lawyer who did not even add of any of it. That's a shameful one. Another comment which I have here says, and that was an expression of disregard and hatred for the Igbos by the component ethnic groups, which underscores the necessity for the hated to path away. Another comment here says, because Nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo man, God will judge Nigeria one day. But I don't have issues. Sorry, I have issues with all what these people says. That because Nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo man, that's it, or something. Let's take Showore for instance. Showore too was once arrested, in fact, countless times. But there are ways in which you do your things. Kanu has gone to an extent, so and he knows what he's fighting for. So definitely Nigeria knew what they were doing by still holding him up to this extent. But I hope they release him soon. Another comment here says Igbos are not second-class citizens. We know our right. We are the prior head to the three major ethnic groups in Nigeria. As such, we should be treated with dignity and respect. Another comment here says, I have experienced such too before in this country. Do we have two laws in this country? One favors the entities, while the non-entities have the other one. It is high time we know that we are into to know what we are into in this country before the unexpected happen in this country, period. Another comment here says, but let me ask, why were you guys surprised of this recent happening in court, in the court on Bello's case, as if you weren't aware that anything concerning Igbo in Nigeria is being treated differently? If you don't know it now that Igbos are Nigeria, haters and can't stop it except to one thing. Now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by the comment section and let us know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.